by now you know that AI is just about a part of everything. Yes, I mean everything. Now it's a part of waste management. I want to tell you about an organization known as EverestLabs. You see, that's where they come into play. They have AI technology, they enhance efficiency, reduce waste management, and promote sustainability in waste management. Joining us now is to discuss all things surrounding that is the founder and CEO of EverestLabs AI, Mr. Jagadish Ambati, right here on the Live Zone. Sir, welcome to the show.
Hi, Guy. Thanks for having me.
Thanks so much for being patient. We know we had you waiting for quite some time, but wanted to make sure we definitely got to you because this is a very important topic. You heard me make mention of AI, really incorporated in everything. Never in a million years, sir, did I think someone would incorporate it within waste management. How did this come to be?
Yeah, I was curious as an engineer living in Valley, working in the Valley for 2 decades. Wanted to see what is happening with my recyclables. What happens when they go on the truck? And then I cold called myself into the recycling plants, and then I went about seeing them. I was surprised by how little modern technologies they were using, how much how much inefficiencies they have, all the equipment that is very outdated, it doesn't have real-time intelligence. And I thought this is the most beautiful use case for AI because AI can process all the packaging in real time very quickly, like in 12 milliseconds or less, and then tell you what's happening in the plant, how you can recover more, how you can landfill less, and make sustainable packaging.
Yeah, but not only are you using AI, but you combined it with robots. It's like something out of the Jetsons. I mean, it's in the future. It's so cool.
Yeah, one of the things that struck to me was, as you showed on the video, right, you have people sorting. And, what we realized was, wow, these rotation jobs are very tough jobs. They're physically demanding. You deal with a lot of injuries on your hands and bodies. And robots are perfectly suited. They're very dangerous jobs, repetitive injuries. And I thought, you know what? Let's put a robotic arm there and let it sort using AI, and voila, you can run the plant 24/7 and redeploy the human capital to do meaningful, important things in the plant, and they work hand in glove together.
Yeah. All right. So you know how this goes, sir, and that is everyone watching says, how does this help me out? What is it going to do for me? And so with that being said, how does this help the consumer?
The consumer will have the benefit of contributing to making sustainable packaging in the world. Okay? What that means is the more you recycle, the more technology gets deployed in these recycling plants to recover the packaging. And when we recover this packaging, we can reuse it to make new packaging. As a result, you're contributing to increase in sustainable packaging, reduction in greenhouse gases, reducing climate impact on your society, communities, and such. Do you know, Guy, it takes 40% less energy to make a brand new aluminum can if you use a used beverage container as a base source. But if I have to mine for bauxite, make aluminum, and create this new one,
sure,
it takes 50% more energy. So it's a simple thing for consumers to go help the society.
Wow. Yeah, I mean, that makes sense. I could definitely see it. I want you to touch on, because this happens to be a staggering number for me, and that is how much of the garbage that we throw away is actually recycled.
There are various statistics. What we recycle is in the plants. What gets recovered is anywhere from 40 to 60%. The rest of that ends up in the landfill, and it's not because the plants are not trying. They are really working hard, and they are the unsung heroes of recycling. What they're really struggling with is inefficient equipment, inefficient processes, old school technologies that they have been sold previously. As a result, they're able to increase recovery. So thus what's happening now is all these companies are coming around and saying, you know what, I'm going to use automation AI to empower me to get data so that I can run my plant better, I can make my equipment better, I can make my employees better, and deploy robots wherever I can to increase the throughput and increase the safety of my plant. The numbers are staggering, and these guys are, really working hard, and we are there to make them successful with these technologies that are readily available and very inexpensive as well.
Yeah, AI definitely the wave of the future. Before I let you go, I should make mention that your company, and that is once again EverestLabs AI, is the only company that guarantees robotics pick success rate. You got to be so proud of that, sir.
Thank you. We are. Thank you for having me.
All right. Once again, we have been speaking with Jagadish Ambati. He is the founder and CEO of EverestLabs AI. Thank you so much, sir, and continue the good work.
Okay.
All right. We'll take a quick break and be right back.